Hi everybody, and welcome to Anthropology 101. Today we're going to be talking about stupid holidays. January 5th is National Bird Day, a day to show appreciation for birds. Take time to go watch some birds. Find a documentary about the little guys. Bunt a bird, kick a goose, however you want to express gratitude. January 10th is Houseplant Appreciation Day. Tell your houseplant how much you love them. Whisper sweet nothings in their little plant ears. Make sweet, sweet love to them. The first Friday in March is Employee Appreciation Day. We appreciate you, beloved employees. Here's a $5 Applebee's gift card and a fun-sized pack of Skittles. March 25th is the Feast of the Annunciation. This is the day that God knocked up the Virgin Mary. April 2nd is National Walk to Work Day. I think I'll pass. The second Sunday in May is Lilac Sunday. Take the time out of your day to sit down and eat a lilac. June 14th is National Flag Day. Spend the entire day repeating the Pledge of Allegiance while I'm proud to be an American blasts on repeat. Before you go to bed, you pray to the Lord above. Down with the bureaucracy, you plead. Down with Obama. Finally, you take that flag, you fold it 13 times and you shove it up your ass because that's what true Americans do. August 13th is Left-Handers Day. Are you left-handed? Just trying to balance out that left arm from your porn addiction? This is the day we celebrate just how special you are. The fourth Saturday in October is Make a Difference Day. Take this day to make a difference in the world. Hold the door open for someone. Do some charity work. Pay for someone's food. Piss on your neighbor's dog. Whatever makes the world a better place. And finally, December 23rd is Festivus. Don't celebrate Kwanzaa? Not a big fan of Hanukkah? Does the word Christmas offend you? Happy holidays grinds your gears? Wow, aren't you difficult? Festivus is just the day for you. Well, that about does it for today, boys and girls. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, one last thing. If you notice that the music's different on this video, it's because I composed the piece myself. Just to avoid copyright, just in case. So I uploaded just the song to the channel, so if you're curious, go give it a listen.